Hi, I'm Luke from ABi Garage Doors, and today we're looking at the Hormann CTV range of keypads. There's two models in the range, the CTV1 and the CTV3. These are digital keypads that you can use to open and close your garage door. So let's take a closer look. Here we have the CTV3 keypad, and we're going to take a look inside the box. So the unit comes supplied with some accessories, the instructions, and this is the external keypad. This comes with 5 meters of cable attached. You can shorten this cable and you can also extend it for up to 20 meters, but anything over 20 meters is not advised, as you can start having communication problems between the keypad and the internal control panel. The internal control panel is here. This comes with a removable plate that you can fasten to the wall, and then the control panel just slides on there to make installation easy. You open the control panel with the little lip at the bottom there, and that gives you access to the connections. You also get some glands and fixings and a plate with the accessories, and the plate is used if you're using 240 volts to connect this. It fits on top there and covers the connections. So let's take a closer look. Here we have the CTV3 control panel. You can see the connections here. This is the power supply connections, the relay outputs. This is the connection for the external keypad, and here we can see the dip switches that we use to set the pin number. So the unit can be powered with either a 24 volt input, which in this case we're taking from a Hormann Supermatic operator, but you could use a separate external power supply. It also will take power from a 240 volt mains feed with these three connections here. If you do use the 240 volt mains, the unit comes supplied with a plate that will fit over here to cover the mains connections. Because this is a CTV3 we're using, it's got 3 relay outputs, so you can break this section of the plate off and that will fit in there. If it's a CTV1, it would only have the 1 relay, and that plate would just fit straight in there like that. These are the connections for the relay outputs. You've got 3 connections corresponding to the 3 relays. You would normally just use connections 5 and 8, which are numbered down here on the bottom of the board for each relay. If you're just using it to control one garage door, you would probably just use the CTV1, which would have 1 set of outputs. If you're using the CTV3 and you're using it to control 2 units, you would have 5 and 8 for the first relay and 5 and 8 for the second relay there. So here we have the CTV3 keypad, which we've wired up to demonstrate the unit. We're just using some low voltage data cable here. It's 6-core cable, we're only using 4 cores at the moment. So we've got 2 wires going to the 24 volt supply there, and we've got 2 wires going to our first relay output. We've also wired up the external keypad. So to set the unit up and set a code, we need to use these dip switches at the top, and for relay 1 we need to use dip switch 1. So we're going to turn that on, put our code in, which will use 1, 1, 1, 1, and you can hear that it beeps and a little LED comes on red there to indicate that it's received the digit. We then turn the dip switch back off, and you can hear the long beep to say that it's acknowledged the code. So if we now put that code in, 1, 1, 1, 1, and hit the key switch, that then activates the door. Thanks for watching. For more how-to videos, check out the rest of our YouTube channel. And for more information on garage doors and entrance doors, take a look at our website at abigaragedoors.co.uk.